At Kanchi, huge quantity of food were served every day as prasad, in sufficient amount as to constitute a full meal for the majority of people. Especially in the countryside, hunger is the bane of a large portion of the population. Maharaj Ji removed the hunger of as many as would come to him. Often he said, "Food is God. Feeding the hungry is actually worship." People were well acquainted with his statements. God comes before the hungry as food, and first bhojan and then bhajan, prayer. One day, in summers, a rich businessman was living in the ashram with his wife and two teenaged children for a month. Seeing how the feeding was done every day, he expressed his interest in feeding sweets to the people visiting at ashram and sought Babaji's permission. He said he would get the required ingredients from the market and the sweets would be prepared in the ashram kitchen. Babaji gave his consent and he advised me not to get involved. The laddus were prepared and brought before Hanumanji's temple in the morning. But the method of distribution was far from satisfactory. Children were put to various kinds of tests before they were given the sweets. Some were sent to pluck leaves from the forest for serving them. Many children were sent away without any because they were suspected for coming for second or third helpings, no matter how they denied it. When the day ended and the gates were closed, more than half of the sweets remained undistributed. I told Babaji it was a disgrace for the ashram and he should not have encouraged the project. First he said, "How can I force people to give these things away if they don't want to do so?" I told him that I was entirely against the tradition of the ashram that people should go away without getting prasad. Then he said, "I just wanted to show that it is not easy to do bhandara in the name of Hanumanji. If you give only to the people of your choice, then the food will remain and go to waste. If you have offered your food to Hanumanji, it no longer belongs to you. Hanumanji himself sees that people get their prasad." And after that, he said to make more sweets in the ashram and do another bhandara, preparing a much larger quantity and distributing to everyone in the real tradition of ashram. 2 days later, the laddus were prepared about 15 mounds in quantity, since only the regular visitors would be getting the prasad. Some felt part of the sweets would surely remain undistributed, but Babaji's way of getting things done were unpredictable. When the sweets were being distributed, some old people and the children were started eating them right there. Babaji came several times. During the distribution, he said that everyone who wanted to eat the laddus should be given as many helpings as they could eat. It is Hanumanji's Bhandara. You need not to be worried about anything not receiving prasad. One old woman began crying. No one has ever fed me like this before. By 1 o'clock, the whole supply was exhausted, and Babaji went around the ashram shouting, "Dada has distributed the entire prasad." Now, here was a lesson. If you think that you or I have something we cannot give, we must think of it as Hanumanji's, that only he can give. You are only the ladle, the leaf on which it is being given. Ram Ram.